special heat-resistant gloves. Oh wow, that definitely is hot.
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's Josh from I Want That. We're here with our friends at Brine to learn how to make pickles. How hard could it be? Let's go check it out.
Ready? All right, so if you want to start pickling with us back here, you're going to need the proper gear, so.
Hit it! That's what I'm talking about.
Wait! Okay, now.
What do you know about pickles?
Well, they're delicious.
Started the company in 2009 up in Greenpoint, going into a restaurant kitchen from 10 p.m. to late in the morning. We eventually moved down to Kiwanis. We were on President Street for about 5 years. And then we've been over here in Industry City for 3.5, close to 4 years.
Wow.
Yeah, a lot of moving.
A lot of moving. That is not somebody playing the piano. That, my friend, are 3 broken fingers. I guess this is the first stop.
Yeah. Keep your hands away from all the moving parts. Don't just put your fingers in there or anything like that. So one at a time is not preferable just for speed, so we're gonna be slotting them in real quick.
Jesus. Okay, here we go.
You are just about there, so we can turn this guy off. Oh, there you go.
Thanks for your contribution.
Hey, not a problem.
Have you ever been in a store and you've seen one of the jars and you're like,
yeah.
aw, I remember you.
It's like, I made this.
Exactly.
I touched it. So we're gonna line 5 cucumbers around the side.
Facing outward.
Facing outwards, so you can see them, and then 1 or 2 in the middle.
Oh, they already fucked it up.
A table is about 260 jars of pickles, and we'll do 6, 7, 8 tables.
Wow.
It's a lot of pickles.
It's a lot of pickles.
Yeah.
How does that look?
I like the tall one in the middle.
Well, I think the tall one serves a purpose. It's the first pickle the person would actually take.
Yeah.
Just got your hand you're not going to be using.
Yeah.
Dip your pinky in there and just give it a little taste. Make sure it doesn't taste weird.
It's delicious.
My job at the end of the day will usually be to make brine overnight.
Okay.
We have it in this kettle over here and we just leave it on all day so it's warm, and then we can just add water to it.
How did you get into this?
I've always been really into food. Always loved pickles. Sent in my application and been here ever since, and done.
Boom.
Now I'm gonna pour this out. Tighten the lids too loosely, they will open in the kettle, they won't seal. If you tighten them too tightly, air can't force its way out and it won't seal.
Feel this, I think this is essential.
That was damn near perfect.
Cool. I hate to ask this,
Yes.
but I am gonna ask this.
Yeah.
Is there not a better way to do this? Is there space for this guy?
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Holy sh**. How hot is this water, Nicholas?
We bring the jars up to 145 degrees. Water is hot.
How long have you been here at Brine?
Just about a year.
Do you love pickles?
I always have. Do a lot at home.
Everybody here has got their own pickle factory at home.
I know.
Pickle tongs.
They grip more than you think. Try to get them below the lid into the jar. I just got a double fist.
Oh, Jesus.
Ooh. You all right, bud?
Yeah, totally fine. So here we are at the end of the process, and it's like seeing your kid go off to college, I guess. We developed you, we canned you, we sliced you, and now you're off to the world for the rest of humanity to enjoy your taste. So I guess it's not like seeing your kid off to college. That's kind of gross.
Being an independent business owner, grinding and trying to make it happen, having a vision of not wanting to preclude people from having better food with great intention behind it and a good, honest, authentic operation. It never gets old when people recognize the hard work that my team, coworkers, that we're doing as a company.